Today I will be showing you how to cut an avocado. First, you take your knife and slice the avocado from pole to pole. Once you have sliced the avocado from pole to pole, you will flip it over and do the same to the other side with your hands and a claw. Once you have that, you can twist the two halves apart and there you go. Now they're in two. Next, what you do is you put the empty half aside and take the knife and use the knife to get the pit out, making sure the pit is facing away from you. Once the pit is out, you cut the avocado halves from pole to pole again. So now you have quarters of an avocado. Now that you have quarters, you can peel the skin off the avocado, giving you a de-skinned avocado. Now you slice it into thin slices. And there you go. Thin avocado slices, perfect for a sushi roll.